What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Everyday Growth Advisors video daily brief for you guys. My name is Tushal. Welcome to the EGA channel where we plan the trade and trade the plan. We do the market breakdown for you so you don't have to do it yourself. That's right. So we continuing on today for the market conditions that we have been following for the past week. And as we know it, tech has been ripping up. Yesterday we had a pretty flat day considering the movement of the market on SPY and NASDAQ, which continued to consolidate here as we go on in this market condition for this week. Very quickly, right before I break down SPY, Qqq, Amazon, and Roblox for today, make sure that you click on the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't just yet. If you can, drop a comment below on any tickers that you want me to break down. We love hearing from you, and we would love to share the love with others as well. It is really important for you to take a second out of your day and help me smash the like button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with other people as well. So let's get into this breakdown downtown without a frown and peel this onion. That's right. Okay, so starting off here, looking at the QQQ and SPY. Let's do SPY real quick first before we continue here. With the SPY, we broke out of a very nice bullish pattern here, and this was the key pivot point to hold yesterday with the as I was mentioning in the previous video, the 417 to 419. 420 is going to be the key level for us to hold again, once again today, if bulls want to continue on with this trend to the upside. If we find weakness today in the markets, we may slip all the way back down to the 413 or 412 levels, which is the key level of support. This old resistance will now become a new support in the future if this fails this level right here. So we'll see SPY come down if we fail to hold this level today. If we do hold this level today and close above 420, we will see upside again all the way up to the 430s on SPY, which will be probably lasting about a couple of weeks to get there. I don't intend to think that the market's going to melt up so quickly, but I would be surprised if it does. And you know what? It has happened before, so let's see what happens, right? We're going to go at this one day at a time. We are seeing considerable amounts of money flowing back into tech. We've seen nice amount of bullishness on Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and Apple seems to be the laggard, which I covered in the previous video. So make sure you go check out the previous video if you want to see the breakdown of Apple and what we're thinking as a setup as a potential cup and handle bullish breakout, okay? With SPY, that's going to be the key levels to watch today. 420 for a capture of the upside. And then if we break below the 417, 416 level, we will be rushing down to the 412, 413 level, which will be the next key level of support. And so this will now, instead of a resistance, become a support, which will also coincide with the downside of this channel. All right. And yeah, I hope that helps you out a little bit. With QQQ here, we had attempt to break out today, but we didn't get that little movement that we wanted. It wasn't as bullish as we were hoping for. We have had a nice wave up, and this still remains a very, very cautious level for the QQQ to break out of. We need a clean break above 337 or 336, which is within the supply zone up here, for the bulls to capture this market in the tech sector, right? And the NASDAQ QQQs. And if we do somehow capture this today, then the upside pivot's going to be the 61.8 extension at 359 or 360 in the next coming weeks, as the same as SPY. Okay, so that will be your bullish uptrend. And if we don't hold this level and we start to reject this level, then we're going to see that QQQ will come down to possibly retrace at the 324s and then the 316s respectively if it fails both of these levels. So these are the two levels that we'll be looking at today as pivot points for QQQ. All right. I hope that helps you out. And yeah, leave a comment as usual. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like button. Now, looking at Amazon here, we've been tracking this for a while now. Amazon looks to be in a nice little pennant, but you know, this is only going to be contingent on the fact if the Qs and SPY turn bullish, and if they do, then we can see a possible breakout here, which would be a bullish breakout out into the 3300s and ultimately the 3380s. Okay, so that's what we're watching on Amazon. If there is a bullish consolidation, a bullish breakout, we'll be looking to play this at the upside. We also have alerted our team on the Discord If you want to be a part of the Discord community, which by the way, this week we're going to be announcing something super special, and I hope that you guys are excited. I'm not going to say too much because I want to keep the suspense. Definitely check our website out on this Friday because we are making it extremely easy to be a part of our community. All right. So with Amazon breaking out here, the key levels for us to break out of will be 3282, which will be the key pivot point for the upside. Breakout of the pennant, consolidation above this level will be bullish for the upside all the way up to the 3380s if we can find level at this dual zone right here. Okay. Another one that I want to bring to your attention is Roblox, which is now in price discovery. It has broken out of all-time high with extreme bullish volume, and you can see the amount of volume that's been bought up in the past recent days has been pretty insane. We've been tracking the out the money unusual options activity for this ticker, and it has been signaling $100 strikes and above for June expiries. So we're looking at a possibly day trade / scalp, or even a possible swing trade for Roblox targets at around $100. I would say 95 is the first target that I want to aim for, since that's the 61.8 Fibonacci extension from the previous down, the waves that we can see here. I would like to capture that zone before we start aiming higher. So cautiously bullish on Roblox as it is overextended a little bit on the 4 hour. But you know, expensive can get more expensive, cheap can get cheaper. So we'll take it a day at a time. Okay. And finally, I want to also cover the VIX here, because the VIX is also going to be something that we have to look at while we are trading in these market conditions. You know, as we can see, the VIX has seen the $20 level as a support for a long time, and now we're trading below the $20 level. The recent support for VIX has been around the $18 level, which is now where we are at in terms of support. We had a brief dip into the $16 levels yesterday as we were kind of trying to break out, we'll see how the VIX continues to perform here. Remember that the VIX tracks the amount of out the money options that are being bought in the option chains with respect to future contracts. And so the more bearish that we get, or the more sentiment that turns bearish, we will see the VIX start to spike. And so this will be something that we'll have to watch. Above $22 is going to be slightly topsy-turvy once again. And if we see the VIX spike up to $22, we will have to be cautious once again. So I just want to put that out there and keep that in your head so that you know what is going on. And just a last minute kind of a recapture here, and to show you how our trades on China are going. Asher, as I pointed out from a video that we posted almost 2 weeks ago now on Chinese markets being undervalued, Asher gapped up to $41. Trade is doing really nice. I'm up 70% on this trade from the next year expiries, $37 calls that I bought in the money calls, and they're doing extremely nicely with this little setup here. We are looking for KWeb to follow suit very soon if the tech sector can rebound. This market has now retraced all the way down 36-37% the Chinese tech market, and we may see upward potential in this market as this is a key level of demand. We may be, you know, seeing a possible push up on KWeb in the near future. Remember, when tech decides to rally in China, it rips. So just want to keep you guys in the loop of that and tell you guys that it's going, and it will continue to go. Well, let's do the daily conclusion so that you have everything you need to survive in this market. So, once again, going through everything. We may see another rally on SPY today. It is a possibility since we captured the key pivot. However, if we fail to hold above 420 today, we may see Humpty Dumpty fall down the wall. And if we do fall below the wall, then we will definitely retrace back to the 413, 412 levels, which is the key support for SPY. So make sure that you are very cautious with how bullish you get right now. If you are not sure, you should simply sit out of the market. This is not an easy market to trade in, okay? And if you were looking to enter long in tech, this is not the opportunity just yet. You gotta wait for the bullish consolidation above the pivot at 337 on the QQQs, and then once you have a trend that is bullish and us breaking into all-time high territory, then you can confirm that you can take some key tech positions. Remember that speculative growth companies and all the lesser known tech companies are not as popular right now as the value-driven tech companies, which I have been mentioning on the live stream for a long time. Value-driven companies will be in fashion for the foreseeable future until this economy kind of recovers and this job market rebounds. So I'll be here giving you daily updates when I see it, and I will be keeping track of the market for you so that you don't have to do it yourself. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you smash the like button once again, and I hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.